I'm breaking down exactly how to start investing in the stock market in 2025. So whether you've been waiting to dip your toes in or you just unsure where to start, I got you covered. Be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Now, before we jump into these strategies, let's make sure we all on the same page about what the stock market actually is. Think of it as a marketplace for buyers and sellers exchange ownership for companies. When you buy shares of a company, you own a small piece of that business. And just like any marketplace, prices can fluctuate based on demand, company performance, and economic factors. In 2025, the stock market isn't just for Wall Street elites anymore. It's for everyone. With the right tool, you can jump in just as little as $10 today, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. By the way, do you think the stock market is risky? What if I told you there's secret investment strategies in 2025 that can minimize risk and maximize your gains? Keep watching to find out how. So how do you get started? Here are the key steps for beginner stock market investing in 2025. Number one, choose the right brokerage account. First, you need to choose a brokerage account. These are platforms where you'll buy and sell your stocks. Some great platforms for beginners are Robinhood, Fidelity, and Webull. But there's a new trend, robo-advisors. They are automated platforms that can create a portfolio for you based on your risk level. Popular ones include Betterment and Wealthfront. They use AI to help diversify your investments while reducing risk. Number two, decide on your investment strategy. When starting out, you need to pick a strategy that works for you. Here's the thing, passive investing has become even more popular in 2025. Instead of actively buying and selling stocks, you can invest in index funds or ETFs. These track the overall market, offering instant diversification and less risk. Want a higher reward? You can consider individual stocks, but you'll need to do your research. Without proper research, you're simply gambling versus investing. Number three, start with small amounts. Investing isn't about dumping all your savings into the stock market. That'd be foolish. Start small, anywhere from $50 to $100 a month can get you started. As you learn and grow, you can increase your investment over time. Not sure which stocks to pick? Stick around, because in just a minute, I'll show you how to identify the best stocks for 2025 and avoid beginner mistakes. All right, so let's get into the exciting part, how to pick stocks. You might have heard that tech stocks have been on the rise, but did you know the green energy stocks are projected to skyrocket in 2025, or that AI-driven companies are gaining traction? They are all hot sectors, but it's important to do your research. Here's how I approach choosing stocks. Number one, check the company's financials. Before buying any stock, check its earnings report and balance sheet. Look for companies that have strong growth, are debt-free, and have a clear vision. Number two, pay attention to market trends. In 2025, AI and renewable energy are expected to dominate, but you also want to watch for sectors like e-commerce, biotech, and healthcare tech. Number three, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A great strategy is to invest in a mix of individual stocks and index funds. That way, you minimize risk while positioning yourself for growth. Want to make sure you're picking the best stocks? Stay tuned, because in just a second, I'm going to reveal my 3 top picks for 2025 that you should be watching for. Now let's talk about some tools that help you make smarter decisions. Number one, stock analysis tools. Platforms like Yahoo Finance or Morningstar provide in-depth analysis, price targets, and company data that will help you make informed decisions. Number two, portfolio tracking. Use apps like Mint or Personal Capital to track your investments and see your returns in real time. This helps you stay on top of your game as a beginner. Here's a big secret that many beginner investors overlook. Passive investing is your best friend. Why risk big losses when you can grow your wealth slowly and steadily? Let me show you how that works in just a minute. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is selling their stock when the market takes a dip. Remember, market fluctuations are normal. Long-term investors make the most money by holding through the ups and the downs. You ever remember that saying, it's a marathon, not a sprint? Well, take that into consideration today before you start investing. Keep a steady hand and don't panic sell. That's the biggest way to lose. Also, avoid chasing hot trends without doing your research. Oh, I heard this, I heard that, let me hurry up and get in there. No, don't do that. And don't come back crying back to me when you lose all your money. Stick to your plan and focus on long-term growth. Want to know the secret to growing your wealth without making common mistakes? I got that for you too. Keep watching. To succeed in stock market investing, you need patience and consistency. Set up automatic deposits deposits every single month and let your money grow. Over time, your portfolio will grow with compounding returns. That's when you'll start seeing significant gain. Also, make sure you regularly reviewing your portfolio and adjusting as necessary. Don't get complacent. Now, let's quickly recap the best steps to start investing in 2025. Because if you follow this guide, you'll set yourself up for success in the stock market for the long run. So to sum it up, you need to choose the right brokerage account, decide on your investment strategy, pick the right stocks or ETFs, and number 4, be patient and stay consistent. You got this. I believe in you. So if you found this video helpful, man, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.